Now we're going to talk Module 4 Lesson 4, which is called Slope-Intercept Form. Slope-intercept form is a really useful form for graphing lines. So we're going to kind of do this as a progression so that you can see what's going on. So up until this point, we've just graphed lines, plotting points, and then also we've graphed lines using the intercepts. Now we're going to just do a little bit of a different concept. So we previously graphed this line, 4x minus 5y equals 20, and I graphed it on this line for you, so we're going to read the slope off of this line. So again, I'm going to start here, go here, so I'm going to go up 4, right 5, so the slope is 4/5. Now, let's talk about what the y-intercept of the line is. Well, we can read that off the graph. It's the ordered pair 0, -4. So now we're going to do solving that literal equation thing that we've always done. We're going to solve this equation for y. So here we go. 4x take away 5y is equal to 20. So I'm going to move the 4x over and tuck them right in before the 20. So we will get -5y is equal to -4x plus 20. And I'm going to divide through by -5. So my equation now is y equals -4 divided by -5 is just 4/5 regular, x. 20 divided by -5 is a -4. So what do we notice? That's the last bullet here. Well, the slope is right here, and the y-intercept, which we call b, is right there. So this is the form y equals mx plus b. And you're like, well, there's a minus here. Well, it depends on what the value of b is. I could write that as plus a -4, but it's just not done. So if we solve for y in terms of x, we can read the slope and read the y-intercept right off the equation, so it'll be wicked easy to graph after that. Let's do some more examples. First, we're going to find the slope and the y-intercept, and then we're going to use those to graph the line if possible. And we're going to label each line with its equation, so it's going to be really challenging for me to get all of these lines on this graph, but let's try it anyway. So remember, y equals mx plus b. If y is solved for in terms of x, we can read the slope and read the y-intercept right off the equation. So in this case, y is already solved for, so the slope is equal to 2/3. Good? It's a number, okay? It's a number. It's a way to get from one point to another. And b is equal to -2, but I prefer to write the order pair 0, -2. All right, so now let's graph this. Yeah, let's. We're going to label our axes. 0, -2 is right here. I'm just going to write -2. And the slope says to do what? Well, from this point, the slope says to go up 2, right 3. So we're going to go up 2, right 3. Ta-da! And there it is. And now I can draw the line and label it